What are the roles and responsibilities of the service operations manager? As I explained to you in the previous class, that goods manufacturing company and the service company, they are both different. So the roles and responsibility of a operations manager of a manufacturing company and service operations management also has to be different. So service operations management responsibilities are service operations planning and budgeting. The service industry is different, so their planning and budgeting is also required like any manufacturing company. They also look into the recruitment and hiring and training of the new employees. Then another important aspect is scheduling of employees and equipment, because services are more labor oriented, employee oriented rather than machine and equipment. So how these employees who are providing the service and what are the different equipment that is being used for service delivery, how they are being scheduled in different shifts and their utilization, that is the responsibility of service manager. Day-to-day management of all the customer facing teams. All the teams which are facing the customer, which are interacting with the customer, so their day-to-day management. Monitor team productivity. So each team that's providing the service, their productivity, their efficiency needs to be measured so that they are able to provide the service, efficient service and consistent service. And if there are any issues that needs to be resolved, that is the responsibility of service operations manager. Developing KPIs, key performance indicator, performance measure, by which you can measure and monitor the performance of the individual and performance of the team who are providing the service. Take customer feedback, because customer feedback is very important in knowing the quality of the service and so that you can make a continuous improvement. So taking a feedback and making a continuous improvement of the service, that's also one of the important aspects of service operations. Promote customer-centric approach, because your customer is very involved, too much involved in the service delivery. So whole service should be customer-centric, means customer should be focused how the customer is getting satisfied. That should be the approach. When necessary, launch a new initiative and project to improve the service support related processes and meeting the customer needs. Any new needs comes, so devise a new service product and new service initiative. Collaborate with other departments for improving the customer satisfaction. It is not only the service department, but there are other departments who can help to improve the overall service. What are the different decision-making area in the service operations? We have studied in the service, in the operations management, there are different service areas. Similarly, you'll find some similarity, but actually they may be really, when you are trying to manage them, they may be a little different from the manufacturing operations. Service process design. How the service process design is to be done, means how the service system should be designed, the delivery process, all this part of the service process design. Service location, where the service facility should be located, what should be the layout design, what should be the service capacity to meet the customer demand, normal time and the peak time also. Service operation scheduling, how the service operation needs to be scheduled in terms of workers and equipments, how the service quality needs to be managed, how they need to be measured and monitored. Human resource, the human resource job design, the hiring and training process. Service supply chain, because services they require some sort of goods also, that is called supporting goods. So how those purchases are being made, all this is part of the service operations. Inventory management, so all those supporting goods, how their inventory management should be utilized in the best way so that you keep a optimum inventory so that more money is not blocked. And I said the IT application has given a real boost to the service sector. So how the IT application can be implemented in service so that service efficiency can be improved, cost can be reduced and quality can be improved. These are the some decision area that service operations management has to take in providing a quality, efficient, cost-effective service.